me get. Just hold on, Let me just get. Okay. Okay, here we go. Come, we are gonna. Can you just tell me what you are doing? Ayumi, what topic are you? Sorry, no, Ayumi. Amara, what are you doing? Oh, topic are you doing, Amara? Auni, what are you doing? Auni cannot hear me. Okay, then maybe start first. We start with. We start today. So, okay, we're gonna revise. Okay, we're gonna revise area and perimeter. Can you find what the area of this figure is? What the area of this figure is, okay?
Yeah, who's that?
Yes.
Umaira. Not you.
Umaira is coming in.
She's coming.
Yeah, she's coming. She's coming. She says she's logging in now. Okay, we're gonna find the area of this. Auni, what are you doing in school? What topic are you doing?
My class did mock test. My group did mock test that time, so we're doing the correction, the paper punya correction.
So, but have you done area and perimeter? Not yet.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. No.
Okay, all right. It means we are too fast. We gotta go to another topic. It's okay. Hello, Myra. Are you there? Can you hear me? Come, we tried to find the area of this one as a warm-up activity. Later on, we'll be going to other papers. You all know how to do that. Those of you do not know, is length times breadth, right? Is area, so you can divide it down here lah. Those of you not sure, you gotta cut it. Then you can call this rectangle A, you call this rectangle B, and then you have to add it together. Okay. So maybe what you do, you find what's rectangle A, and then you find what's rectangle B, and then you find the whole thing. Okay. Hello, Amara. Hope your video is working okay. I think last week there's. Then you find total. You have to plus both of them together. If you forgot what the formula for area of rectangle is, length times breadth. Okay. L is length. Length is the longer one. Breadth is the shorter one. Cannot? I hope you're okay. Okay, we're going to go through in about 1-2 minutes time.
What's Umaira having? What's the yellow thing?
What is that? Oh, you seem to be having a
lot. It's a fidget.
Fidget.
What like poppy, like those type of fidget.
Fidget, but it's not poppet. This is called a pop tube. My cousin is buying me a big poppet. She already ordered.
The word fidget means F-I-D-G-E-T. Later we go through what it is. Okay. F-I-D-G-E-T.
But one of the famous fidgets is poppet. That kids like. A lot of girls like. Yeah.
But you know what's the meaning of fidget? What's the meaning of fidget actually?
Fiddle with it.
I I don't know what the meaning
Okay, I
is.
show you what's fidget. Fidget is like this. You can't keep your hand still. Halfway while watching something, you'll be let's say you're watching TV, you're fidgeting with your watch, and then after while doing this, you fidget with maybe something else. Maybe you take your spectacle cover stuff. That means you can't keep still but you need to touch things. So that's why they create such toy because you're fidgeting in it. Come on, Amara. What big mouth you have. Okay, come on. We try rectangle A and B. We don't have much time. Your exams, end of year exams are coming, and
E.
you all know what to do now.
Yeah, I know what to do.
Okay, great.
Can I just type what I do?
Don't not on the screen, please. On
Myra, don't do on the screen. Myra, you're joking, you know.
okay. Naomi, is it for rectangle A or total? Total. Okay. Umaira, you're finding the perimeter. We want area.
I think A first.
That's why you say you know how to do, Myra.
You are finding perimeter. Okay. What about Auni? You know what to do? Amara, you know what to do? You find area of A first now. What is the length? 16. Breadth 16 times 6.
I said wrongly.
Let's see whether Naomi is correct. Okay, Naomi, let's see. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Myra, you got the first one, I think. It's slightly wrong. Your calculation is slightly wrong, but never mind, good try. Then what about the next one? Naomi, are you sure your answer is correct? We got to check. So far, okay. Anyone knows the answer for rectangle A? I write down for you the working. I write down in green so you're very clear. This is the length. This is the breadth. Length times breadth, 16 times 6. You find out what it is now. You get the answer, yeah.
Even though my pen isn't a fidget, it's like a fidget. Like
fidget. Okay, it's a broken pen.
No, it's just my pen.
It's okay. So what is this now from here to here? You must know what the length is. How to find? 14 minus 6. Yeah. 14 minus 6, you get 8. So
minus, I thought it's still times.
No, you're going to find the length here. Length times breadth. 8 times 6 now is the next one. Then you add both answers together. Can you see that, Naomi? Mimi, can you see that? 16 times 6. Then the next one, 8 times 6. Then you add together, Mimi. Come on, can do it. Umaira. Oh, you're doing it. Okay, good. You look different today, Umaira. What do you do to yourself? Amara.
What?
Amara. Block number house.
Rectangle A, 16 times 6. Rectangle B, 8 times 6.
Then, what did I do to myself?
I don't know. You look like a different person today.
No.
No, because it's about your attitude. Man, usually sometimes you're serious, but today you're not.
Today serious,
Huh?
Today she's serious.
Oh yeah, but sometimes she's serious.
Yeah, sometimes it's.
Cute, all my pens.
Oh my God. There's even an underwater hose for her to breathe. Well done, Auni. Auni is the first one who got it correct. Yeah, that is for staying underwater without
It is a
oxygen.
fidget.
Is there a hole inside? Can you look through? Yeah, so you can breathe through.
Yeah, there's a big hole inside here.
You can
Look,
try
I have got
going
two.
into the bathtub, filling it up with water, and then after breathe. All right, so now, wow, no, you mean this is a very big one. Okay, 16 times 6, you get 96.
Really long.
I was right. I
8
got
times 6, 48. You get 92. Then you add together, plus these two, you get 144. Okay, square cm.
Sure,
So,
accidentally times.
oh, yeah, you're supposed to times. Oh, you're going to take this times this. Oh,
Yeah.
no wonder, no wonder. There's no wonder how come you get 8,000. Okay, careful. Huh? So remember, you must have this. What is this, Naomi? CM2, Naomi and Auni. What is
CM
this?
square.
CM square, good. That means we are counting the squares. Huh? You cannot, if you count outside, that's why you take 16 plus 6, that's perimeter. This one, you're counting squares. Huh? Remember, you're counting lots and lots and lots of squares. Okay? So that's how we count area. So now let's say now, if you want to count my head, now my head, how you going to count? Let's say now you will count my size of my head.
Can you go back to that one first?
The what one? The drawings are all disappeared. So if you're going to cut my head, you want to measure my head, you know what to do? You don't put squares because squares is all on the outside. It's a sticker. You must cut my head and chop up my head into cubes. So cm cube, that's volume. You get it now? Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Don't do this at home. Don't do this anywhere else. Watch. Now you take out the skin and you put the skin on the, I think I told you this before, right? You put the skin on what? My phone fell. Okay. Now, if I cut my skin and place it up, it becomes like roti prata down here. The dough that is mixed, right? So down here, how to count the size? You got to draw squares. Draw squares. Count the squares. So how to count? You see length down here times breadth, let's say down here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's five down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 5 down here got 30 squares. So you want to find the size of a skin, you got to use this. But let's say now you want to find the outline. So what we do, we pluck Naomi's hair. Okay, because she got the longest hair here. Watch her. Can see now. Can you see? Can see? Okay, now I measure up. Measure. Naomi, very long hair, Naomi. And then after that, I'll take out the whole thing. Wow, very long her hair. Okay, 48 cm. So when we measure the outside part using Naomi's hair or ruler, we use cm. This one, square. You cut on my head and chop into cubes. So this one is what? Volume. This one, area. This one, length. You must know the difference. Don't after you write the wrong unit, your teacher says, must have two. You say, no lah, teacher, it's the same thing. No, not the same thing. One is square, one is length, one is volume. Okay, now we go back to what Miss Fidget has asked. Yes, there. Is this what you wanted? No, don't want anymore. Okay, wow. She don't want, she just... All right, we try this now.
Why am Mara not talking? Why so quiet?
Mara, they're asking you why you're not talking.
Very quiet, right, Auni? You laugh under your breath when you do it.
Aduh. Okay, here we go. You can cut this. You want to cut this into 3 parts. There's a few ways of cutting. We ask one of you, Umaira, can you cut it into 3 parts? Umaira. Cikgu, I want to find area, how to cut.
Umaira, are you confused?
Umaira says, cannot hear you. She's talking. Actually, in real life, okay, that's one way. So, okay, don't move anymore. It's enough down here. So this is one way of cutting. You have A.
In real life, actually what?
You have B, you have C. So if you find A is the same as B, you see 4 times 6. This one is also 4 times 6. And then this one, how much?
Just now you're saying in real life Umaira or something.
No, I say in real life, Umaira was doing this. Actually, she wasn't saying anything. She just
Yeah. You were playing with your pop tube.
No,
You see,
my
now-
pop tube is over there.
you see
That's why you're
from the way Auni is saying, you see lah, you make others feel bad they don't have the fidget. Buy everyone a fidget lah. Okay, Naomi, you want a fidget, Naomi? From-
That one my friend give me, okay? The other one my mother buy for me.
It's like saying no, that one ah.
And then my mother go and lend my cousin, and then my cousin tell me.
I think you should just give us all the fidget.
Okay, now this is
Why
one
don't you
way.
buy yourself for only $1?
$1. Okay, later we go shopping now. Now down here, now this is one way to cut. We ask Auni, Auni, can you cut another way? That was one way. Can you cut another way? You know how to cut? Yeah, cut. Cannot hear you, Auni. You use on screen, you cut, annotate lah. You know, okay.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I just have
I thought you were doing the same
which
trick,
one is it?
but I want a different style from Umaira.
Okay. Different style. So I make it neat.
No need. Because on screen it might be difficult. Okay, good.
Not done.
Not bad. Yes, good. One more.
Oh, wait. It's a bit hard to annotate. Okay.
Good. So this is can be rectangle A, can be rectangle B, can be rectangle C. So well done. So there's two ways of doing it. So it's up to you which way you want to cut your cake. It's up to you. It's like your birthday cake. You want to cut this way, that way. It's your business. Your teacher cannot tell you don't cut that way. Up to you. Okay. So now, can you do this sum? You can do it like Auni's one, or I will redraw Umaira's one. So find the area, please.
Wait, can I draw instead? Can I
Sorry?
draw? Can I
You
draw?
wanna-
How to find
okay.
the area?
You gotta find the area down now. For length times breadth, length is here. What's the length down here? 12, right?
Oh,
12 times 4. So this one 12 times 4. So you find A and C already. Then down here, how much is this, Auni? The whole thing is 12. This one is 6. Down here must be
2 was it? 6 or so.
12, 6 or so. So down here is 12. This one is 4. This one is 4. How much is this?
4.
4. So you can find now. Okay, 6 times 4.
Yeah, can I throw this?
Yeah, throw. If Umaira want to throw the fidget, you can ask lah. Naomi, you can ask, okay? Umaira throw. Umaira, are you going to throw the fidget? Never going to throw. Next year, will you throw? No. That's what you say now. When I was teaching in a tuition center more than about 20 years ago, at that time, the craze was Pokemon cards. You know Pokemon? And students were buying one card for $10, $5. And if you ask them now they are their 30s, I think all of them say, I throw my cards away, or I gave it away. Okay, Naomi, come. You can find, Naomi, find what's the area of A, what's the area of B, what's the area of C, and then add all of them up together. Same thing, Miss Amara. Amara, you know what to do, right? Formula, Amara. Formula for area is length times breadth. Okay, so I will label this, okay? You can start doing so. Yes, okay. So we label A, B, and C. So you know what to find, eh? Okay, down here is 12, so well done. This one is 6. This one is 6. Okay, so you can find this one is also 6 lah. Not drawn to scale, not drawn, okay, ABC. Okay, can you please find? Okay, first one to get it correct, we'll get a fidget. But how to deliver to you if I buy a fidget? Where do you buy fidgets from? Umaira?
Shopee.
Shopee. Umaira, cannot hear you. You're doing like that.
Yeah, we can find it on Shopee. Some of my classmates, the girls, they buy on Shopee.
Shopee.
No,
Yeah.
you
They buy online.
You can buy on Shopee, and then you can also buy at Parkway.
Parkway.
Oh yeah, you can also buy at shops. Some shops sell them, like some small shops sell.
Yeah.
Sell poppy.
Online one
bit.
is cheaper.
Yeah,
Where
Oh
is
yeah,
cheaper?
online one is cheaper.
Online
Online is cheaper.
Cheaper.
Online $1, $2.
Because one of you mentioned Parkway Parade, that means she lives near Parkway Parade. In fact, she lives in Marine Parade. Am I correct, Umaira? Are you living in Marine Parade? No. Then how do you know there's a pop it in Parkway Parade?
because
This pen is fun.
I went there to buy before, and Parkway is just like a few minutes away.
So you live near lah, but not in Marine Parade. I see. Okay,
I
come.
live at East Coast.
East Coast. You live in East Coast.
I live at Pasir Ris.
Upper
Pasir
East Coast Road.
Ris. Pasir Ris. I love Pasir Ris. Umaira, East Coast.
Upper East Coast
Then
Road.
Naomi
where you
at
live?
where?
Yishun.
Oh, Yishun. I went to school in Yishun. Amara, where do you live in Woodlands, is it? Do you live in Woodlands or where? Sorry, cannot hear. Yishun also. You and Naomi are neighbors, huh? Have you met each other? Naomi, next time you go out, you search for her.
You know Mr. Shahid?
You know what to look out for, right? She will be having a headphone. Yes. Yes.
You know Mr. Shahid? He saw me in real life. He was like, I expected you to be taller.
Yeah, because she looks okay. So now, when you are going to meet, imagine meeting Umaira. Imagine someone very shorter than what you imagine. Not very short, shorter than what you imagine.
So what is your working for this thing? I'm so confused.
Working for this thing.
Yeah, what's the working?
Hey, you know, okay, now Auni has given. Did Auni give it? Who gave the answer?
What I given? I haven't even do the.
Ah, Naomi has given the answer. Okay, so now.
Yeah, don't confuse my name with other people's name.
Okay. Huh?
Huh? Is that Umaira laughing? That's
Mara,
what
stop
is.
putting
Yeah,
the
he have pop too. He's showing a pop too.
that is actually.
Umaira don't do that.
Okay, come. We're going to go one by one. We check whether Naomi's answer is correct. We will check whether the rest is correct. Okay. So first of all, Naomi, how do you get A? What times what? Can you tell us?
4 times 12.
Okay, good. 4 times 12. And B is, B, is it 4 times 12 also? No.
4 times 4.
4 times 6 or 4 times 4? Now here, no, see. This is 4. This is 6. 4 times 6. You know, it's okay. Good try. 4 times 6. And the last one is actually the same as A. 12 times 4. So we're going to check. But we won't give the answers yet. Now we're going to ask Amara. Amara, you look at Umaira's one. How do you find A, Amara? Mara, how do you find A? Length times breadth. This is the length, this times breadth. What times what? Come, 6 times 4. I cannot hear. 6 times 4, is it? Okay, 6 times 4. I am reading her lips, you know. This one is also 6 times 4 for B. What about C, Amara? What about C? This whole thing is 12. This is 6. So, Auni versus Amara. 12 times 6. 12 times 6. Because this is the length. 12 times 6. So let us see. Look, the workings are different, you know. There's 6 times 4, 6 times 4, 2. This one 4 times 6, there's 1 only. So 12 times 4 is 48. 4 times 6 is 24. 12 times 4 is 48. We're going to check whether this is correct. Is the answer the same? It has to be the same. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 4, 24. 12 times 6, 72. All right, here we go. Is it correct or not? I think it's 100 and how much? 24 plus 24 plus 72.
I don't want background.
Down here, 120 according to Omaira's one is 120. What about Auni's one? 48 plus 48 plus 24. Or 48 plus 24 plus also 120. Can you see it's the same enough? Okay, Auni, what is the unit, Amini? Is it cm 3 or cm? 3 or cm? This area, come on. Area. cm2, small 2 here.
You said it's not 3, not 2.
Yeah, I said 3 or cm. to test whether you really understand. It's like asking you, Auni, are you a boy or alien? They say, they say, I'm a boy. No, so I say, not true, alien, not true. That means you don't know. You're a girl. Example. This is one way to check whether students are listening, you know. Okay. Of course. Or whether they truly understand.
I am listening, but I don't really understand.
Okay, so it's check your confidence. Okay. All right, it's to check your confidence. All right, so in this case, both are okay. All right, both are okay. We go for the next one. All right, this time we will ask other students to cut the cake. Okay, we will ask Nayumi to cut this cake, Nayumi. Come.
Nayumi.
Cut into square or rectangle. Then the next one we ask Amara, okay? Aduh. Can annotate, Nat? Use your fidget. But we cannot see anything. If you cut like that, this is not a square. This is not a square. Cannot be this way. You have to square a rectangle. You gotta cut straight line. Like that or like that. Like this. Okay, one. Okay, you try again. I'll remove this. Okay, try again one more time, Yumi. Amara, I can't hear. Amara, you gotta go to the doctor. Something wrong with your ears. Umaira, not Amara. Umaira, you gotta go to the doctor. You say can't hear. How come suddenly you cannot hear? Okay, can you hear this now?
Is Umaira can really cannot hear? Or is she pretending to not hear?
Pretending. Okay, anyone can cut. You cannot cut this. Once you cut this way, it's gone. Okay, I show you for this one.
Can I cut it?
Okay, you try cut. This way cut. Some more. One more. Coming. Okay. Oh, you got to cut away. Can also. Wow, so many. Actually, you can just cut down here. Also can. You want to have 3, 4 up to you, no problem. Okay, so you want to have 4, possible also. Okay, but actually this one you don't need is okay. How? I show you. This one you draw again. You cut to this way. Cut nicely down here. From here to here. Try.
What do you say?
Yeah, not from here. Okay, I cut for you down here. I cut for you. Just to. Okay, this one I use the same size that down here to here. So you can cut like that. So one square. This seems to, it looks like a square. I do not know whether it's a square, no? So this can be A, this can be B, this can be C. This is one way. Okay, another way. Anyone else can do another way, no? Nayumi, you want to try again? You try again, Another style. Amara, after this, your turn, to cut different way. Okay, that one. Okay, not bad. I help you draw. Mine also not. Okay, someone one more cut. What else? Okay, if you want to cut there, no problem. You can cut, but you can cut like that if you want to, so that you don't have so many. Okay, you can cut like that also. And yeah, well done. Different, huh? Amara. So this one is what we can call. You can label anything A, B, C lah, whichever. A, B, C. Amara, can you try to cut a different one, Amara? Amara, is there other ways of cutting? You try to cut, Amara. Amara, you know how to annotate, Amara. You know how to draw on the screen? You know how to. You don't know how to draw. Umaira, you can show another way of cutting, Umaira. Another cake to cut. Don't use the big square lah. Don't use, try other ways. There are many other ways, you know. Okay, can, okay. There's another way down here. You can also do like that. So this is one rectangle. Then this one you can go down on here. See, it can be like that. So right. Why must it be straight? Because length times breadth. Length, and see the length is down here times the breadth. This way also possible. What else? What other way? Well, you can also do this way like that. Like that also can. Can. Many ways lah. Many ways. Okay. So we are now going to go to the next one. Okay, this one let's see. Are you able to do this? Okay, I'm going to cut for you one simple cut. Okay, and then you find, please, what is the area of this? You find area of A and B, yeah? And go, please, and go. Okay, what is oh, don't know. Okay. You must cut into rectangles, Amara. Rectangles. Okay, like see, I cut one rectangle, there's another rectangle. Why we cut into rectangle? Because to find the area, we take length times breadth. Okay, so there's now, if you cut another way, let's say there's now earlier one, which is not rectangle, we cannot find it. So you find what's the area of A, find the area of B. And then find total lah. Come. Naomi and Amara and Umaira and oh. So Amara, you know what to do, how to find A? Take length times breadth. What is length? Length is the longer part. This is longer part. What is breadth? This is breadth. So length and breadth. In the US, they do not call breadth. What do you call? Width. In Malay, what do you call breadth? You have heard the name before. Paya, lebar. Lebar is the breadth.
Yeah, lebar.
What is about length in Malay? Length is what? Panjang. Panjang dan lebar. So maybe you change the name lah. Can I go to panjang lebar? See, panjang lebar is what? Amara, come Amara. Find the area of A, area of B. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, okay? You see Wasim now, just entered into the frame. So we notice that Wasim halfway through the tuition session will miss the owner by the name of Miss Audi. Is it true? Audi? Does Wasim miss you during the tuition? Sometimes.
What? I cannot hear. Why you say so soft?
So soft, is it?
Yeah, now okay. Just now too soft.
Soft, okay. Does Wasim miss you during tuition time?
What time? During what time?
Tuition.
I don't know. Sometimes he wants to be in the road. Sometimes he just sleep. Sometimes he just play outside. But he miss me when I go to school.
Is he a hardworking cat or a lazy cat?
Lazy.
All cats.
She
All
look.
cats are lazy at home. You know why? Why? Why is it cats at home are pets are
Yeah,
lazy?
tell us why. Tell us why. What's wrong with
Because
you?
they do not need to work to get their food. All others need to work to get the food. Lizards have to work very hard. Ants have to work very hard. The cat just wait, and what does it do? And then the owner gives. So cats are very don't need to work. They are very fortunate. They're like rich people like that. Okay, 1 minute is up, so we're gonna ask Miss Amara. Amara, how do we find the area of A? Amara, how to find the area of A? What times what? Don't cry, Amara. I just asked you, what? Amara, don't cry. What's the area of A? Rectangle A. How to find the area of A? Mara, what times what? Length times breadth. What times? We cannot hear you. You got to unmute yourself. What times what? Area of A. Can you see A, right? What's the length? The length is, where's the length? The longer one. 16 or 6? What is it? You have 16, right? 16 is the longer one. Times the breadth. 6. Okay, the next one, Amara. What is the length is 10? What's the breadth? Do we have the breadth? What is the breadth? How to find the breadth, Amara? The whole thing is 16. This one is 5. This one is 5. How much is the center? You take 16 minus 5 minus 5. 16 minus 10, what do you get? You will get the answer here. 16 minus 10. You get 6. So what's the area? Okay, 16. What about B, Amara? B. How to find B? What times what? Only if you got the answer already. But I think 50 is not correct. You assume this is 5. Auni? Yeah, 6 times 10. You know 5 times 10, Auni. You know why it's 6? Because this one is 5. This one is 5. 5 times 5, 10 already. You want to make 16. You must plus 6, not 5. Okay, this one is not 5. Your thing is 5 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 6, 16. Correct. So down here is 6 times 10, 60. So down here you get 96 plus 60. And the answer is, add together is 156. Now we ask Miss Amara. Amara, is the answer correct? cm square? Do you agree? Amara, is it cm square? Look at the unit on here. What is the unit here? Look, is it cm? No, it must have to be meters. So you change it to meter square. You change it to meter square. This one change it to meter square. Okay, you got to be clear, no? Got to be very. Now I'm going to share something with you. The other time I shared with you about elephant, right? Did I share about elephant? No. Now you may say no. No. Okay. So now I'm sharing this with you because some of you might be stuck like the elephant. So maybe Naomi, maybe I shared in the other class. Okay. So let me just check here. Elephant. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Elephant rope. Down here. Okay. Have I shown you this before? You see what did they do? How to train an elephant. First of all, they're not going to catch the giant elephant. You know why? The giant elephant will kill them. You know that. You know that giant elephants, when they go crazy, I'm going to write this word. Elephant.
Yeah, the big elephant.
You know, run amok. Can you see run amok? You know that this is a Malay word. Run amok. You know what's amok? It's a Malay word. No, you all know. When you get very, very angry, you say, si dia ni mengamuk. Have you heard mengamuk? Mengamuk. the English language take the word mengamuk and they say amok. Amok means mengamuk. You know mengamuk or not? Very, very angry, right? And then they do crazy things. For example, they mengamuk, they pecahkan all the pinggan mangkuk inside the kitchen. You come back home and say, what happened? All the pots, plants all broken. Even the pipe all broken. Say why? Abang mengamuk. Your brother mengamuk. You get so angry. Break it. So run amok means to run gila lah. You know what? Elephant can run gila. Yeah, become very angry. Let's see. So now we see some videos here, but I think maybe don't show you videos. Can you see now the elephant chasing the man? Everyone is watching. Okay, down here now. The elephant. Can you see now? They're running. What are they doing? They're just destroying things around here. Can you see now? And everyone is running on top. Why? Frightened. You get see, look at this motorbike.
Oh my God, the elephant is so big.
Yes, it's big. How big is the elephant?
Don't know.
Yeah, how heavy? About 1,000 to
I think
3,000
don't bet
kg.
things are bad, I'm telling you.
Look at this. The people are so frightened. They run up to the roof. Why? Because the elephant is very, very angry. When they're angry, you don't play with. So the hunter, when they want to catch the elephant, they don't catch the big elephant. They will catch the baby elephant. Okay, you understand why? Because baby elephant, they can train them. So baby elephant like what? Like this one here. So what do they do? I'm going to show you now. Elephant neck chain. Oh, not. Can you see down here? Can you see there's chains down here? So this chain, they are going to put it around the neck, and then they use an iron nail, huge iron nail, and they whack it to the ground. And for months and months and months, they did the experiment over and over. The elephant will struggle to escape for 3 months. After 3 months, you know what what they do to the metal chain? I'll show you now. After 3 months, you can see right all this metal chain, right? They will use the rope. This rope, see? Can you see now at the neck? They will use the rope, and then the iron nail, they will change to a stick. You know, stick kayu. And then what they will do? The elephant will not escape. You know why? Because in the elephant's brain, elephant will think, I cannot escape. I have a chain around my neck. For as long as I have a rope around my neck, I cannot escape. It will go very big and can actually kill people.
Why the elephant don't want to just run around the town and scare everyone?
Because when the elephant was a young baby, when it was a baby, right, as a kid, it had a metal chain. So it feels that having a metal chain, I cannot escape, I cannot move about. So now I need to listen to the trainer. So that is why the trainer still has to do this rope. This is called conditioning. Unfortunately,
why the owner do that? Why the owner do that?
Because the owner want to train the animal. Otherwise, the elephant cannot be trained. So the thing now, why am I telling you this? Because some of us, maybe might be some of you, you are like an elephant. You think inside your mind you are trapped. You think you cannot pass maths. You think that I cannot. I got this much. You look at the questions and say, oh, very difficult. You must not be like the elephant. You got to make sure that you get rid of the rope. Okay, you must do that now, because you are a human being. You're not elephant. You know, elephant can be very, very, very big, and you will not be able to escape. Okay, but anyway, let us now go. In fact, they can train not only cats. I have a video to show you. They can even train fleas. You know fleas now?
What's the video?
You know what's fleas? Fleas. Kutu. You know kutu now? They can train kutu. Okay, I'll show you. Watch. Now down here. So you can search up here. You can type in flea circus. Can you see it? Flea circus. You see this one, this flea? Okay, you might not believe. I show you. Let you hear the sound. Okay. Myra, watch this, Myra. You can even train all this, Myra. Myra watching something else.
Paris, city of song, laughter and romance, presents a new thrill for tourists. You pay your 10 francs and voila! A ringside seat at the smallest show on earth, Monsieur Robert's Tame Flea Circus. But don't
all
come
these
too
are
close.
kutu, no?
Those microbes are man-eaters. And what a show it is! Ali Baba and the 40 Fleas.
The kutu is pulling the carriage.
Oh my god. That's what.
What
Kutu
thrills,
looks
what a
like.
spectacle. Prince
Yeah.
Charming himself riding up in the fairy
But
coach.
Kutu can
And
get
now he's
on
come by
the
taxi
air,
instead.
right?
Yeah.
Because it gets on my hand.
Yeah. So now, but what am I telling you? I'm telling you, human being can even train very small things like a flea, very big animals like elephants. But most important thing, the human being needs to train himself. You must be able to train yourself. Don't be trapped like the elephant. Don't be trapped like a flea. Okay. All right. We'll get back to this now. Umaira, what are you doing? You're looking somewhere else. From your eyes, I can see you're doing something else, Umaira. Umaira.
Oh my god! You are new!
Yeah, you're doing something strange.
Oh
Okay.
my god, you are doing something weird.
Okay, Mary Stella, this is like one of the good schools in Singapore. Let us now, we have to revise your decimals because your decimals, you're going to have your CA2 soon, right? Okay, can you try question number 3? 3, please. Myra, come, we're waiting for you, Miss Myra. We have another 43 minutes left. Still a long way for us to revise some decimals.
Oh.
So that means, only you can train Wasim. Only.
No, I cannot train Wasim. He will go crazy.
No. Umaira,
Okay, he will go crazy, but then he won't listen. He won't do stuff.
Umaira, you can train the birds in the cage. Yes.
I can train him do simple stuff. I can train him do simple stuff.
But you got to be sometimes a little bit cruel to be able to train that. Okay, let's see. Umaira has given answer. Let's see whether she is correct.
Who gives the answer?
I'm so sorry, Miss Umaira. Your answer is WRONG. You're wrong. Can you try the rest of you? Please try. You Naomi, question number 3. What's your answer, Naomi? Amara, what's your answer? Amara, please. You must be able to do this. If you need to fidget with your fidget, please fidget and try to get the answer. Come on, Naomi. You got nice hair, Naomi. Yes, I know. I wish I had the same hair as yours, but I don't. Mine is balding over here, balding botak. Aoni, what's your answer? Oh, Naomi, also same thing. Both you and Umaira have made the same mistake. It is not that answer. You must always identify. I only also made the same mistake. Hello. Identify where's the ones. The ones is always to the left. Down here, ones. This one is the tens. Remember not?
It says 10.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. My mistake. Sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. All 3 of you got it right. I got it wrong. I thought I saw something. I thought you wrote this one too. I say why? Okay, I'm so sorry. My mistake. Umaira, you got it right. Auni, you got it right.
Why Umaira didn't laugh was funny?
Umaira is a serious girl now.
Why is she being so serious suddenly?
Because she said the tutor cannot make a mistake. She's angry. Myra, are you angry with me? Are you watching something?
That's mine.
Myra. All right, come. Here we go. Can we try the... Yes, the next one, please. Number 7. Only one of them is symmetrical. Amara, where are you, Amara? The rest are giving the answers. What about you, Amara? Amara.
On the map.
Symmetrical can be cut in exactly 2 parts. Nayu, congratulations, Naomi. Got it right. Well done. First one. Now Naomi is the fastest. Overtaken Umaira and Auni and Amara. Auni, well done. Umaira and Amara, we are waiting for you. Which figure is symmetrical? Symmetrical means can be cut into exactly 2 parts. Come on.
I know.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay, in 3, 2, 1 second. This is the only one that can be divided into 2 exact parts. Okay. So why is your answer dot dot dot, Amara? Oh, I see. All right. What is the missing number in the decimal in the box? What's the missing decimal in the box? You need to use pencil and paper for this, or pen and paper.
Asim is now playing with the weirdest stuff in the room.
I just wrote a poem of cats. One, not so
What
long.
is it about? What's the poem about?
It's about Singaporean. It's about Singaporeans. You won't be able to understand it now, but basically Singaporeans are more kind to cats than they are to human beings.
But it's true, but Singaporeans are kinder to cats than humans.
They'll feed cat, but if they meet a stranger, they'll buat bodoh.
What?
Normally, if they meet strangers, they will run away from strangers. But for cats, stray cats, even they don't know the cat, they might pet the cat. Amara, what's the answer for this one? Come on. You have to do working for this one. You have to do working. You must change this. I give you a clue. You must change this to decimal first. If you don't change this to decimal, you can't do. So once you change, you know what to do. What is this? 6/100. 0.0. Yes, well done. Kakak Umaira has shown you how to do this. Thanks, Kakak.
But I don't understand.
So you ask yourself, what plus 0.06 equals to 3.75? Say, I don't know how to do this. Okay, I give you another example only. Blank plus 3 equals to 5. What's your answer, Avni?
2.
2. How you get 2? 5 minus 3 get 2. So take this, minus like that, and you will get it. Let's see whether Naomi or Umaira is correct. Minus lah. You got a minus. I got it. Wow. Look at that. So minus 6, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 6, 3.69. Congratulations to Kakak Umaira. Naomi, good try, Naomi. Was close, but not accurate.
Oh my God, it's already 12:28.
Why? Don't be bored lah. Okay. Now,
What do you mean don't be bored?
I feel as if you all are bored. Are you bored? LOL. Lolly. She wants a lollipop.
Lollipop.
So you're not going to tell story.
What?
You're not going to tell story.
I thought I told you a story.
Oh,
Laugh out loud.
Umaira.
Actually, I got. Did I show you all what I did to my children in the hotel? Yes, right?
Yeah.
No, Umaira said no. Oh,
No, you only show us that you leak into the bed. I don't ask how you did your children.
oh yeah. We
Only show you leak into the bed.
yeah, that's what I always do. It's important to do that lah for me. Ayo, don't scare us lah. You laugh like that. Okay, come. We try this.
We don't know.
You don't know. You don't know how to do so. Okay, we think Manita. Manita is a person. Okay, had 3.6 meters of blue ribbon and 1.44.
I thought you meant it's a story. Oh, it's the
Don't tell. Don't tell what? The Manita, is it? Okay.
It's actually a story that you.
Okay, so Umaira says don't explain, so you'll be able to do. Come, try then.
That's how you have to do if teacher don't explain, Umaira.
Can do. Try lah. She used 1/4 of each now. So you try 1/4 of this, 1/4 of this. How much is it? You know how to do? One quarter means to divide this into 4 parts. You find what is 1 part. So you can divide this by 4. 1/4 means you divide this into 4 parts. So you find out how much is that part, how much part, add together. Okay, that means 1/4 means you divide into 4. Divide by 4. You get 1/4. This one you divide by 4 also. You also get 1/4. Then you'll be able to find what is this.
Say want make tom yum.
Huh?
Say you want to make tom yum.
Ya, Oma tak kasi.
Hah?
Masih muni. Nak tom yum. Apa? Nak masak ni. Budak ni nak tom yum. Ora.
Anyone. You know what to do now?
Sure, I'll sign the answer now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations, Miss Auni. She has gotten it. Well done. Umaira, if the fidget is not helping you, whether you blow into it or dig into your ear with it or knock on your head on it, it doesn't help. You can try the other fidgeting method without using a fidget, what Naomi is doing. She's pulling her hair, pulling her ear, twisting it. It might work better. Yours doesn't. That reminds me of some children. They put things inside. One of them put a pencil inside the nostril and have to go to a hospital. Be careful. Okay, here we go. Because I see Umaira, like she's putting the fidget inside the ear. So there's been a case when I was a teacher in Chongcheng Primary School, that's in Tampines Street 21.
Cuk senang tapi cuba nak makan nak masak gitu.
The student put a small pencil inside the nostril and then cannot take it out.
What? Pencil?
Yeah. And then
Don't
cannot
happen, don't happen.
have to be brought to a hospital.
Okay, then?
Then they have to take it out slowly. Otherwise, I mean, imagine you put inside the nose. There's another case, there's like a small necklace. The person go and eat it and swallow it. What do you think happened?
My God, he died.
No. When he excreted, when defecate, go to toilet, buang air besar, the thing came out from the bottom. But it's not a big one, okay? It's like a small one. Can you imagine? Don't do that lah. Okay, because
Then it will be crazy.
Yeah.
If the person that means it will be crazy.
Okay,
That
so
person will be a weirdo.
yeah,
Because
it's
he
actually
does
very,
something.
very dangerous. Actually. So here we go now. We can take 3.6 divided by 4. Have you all learned how to divide decimal? Yes, right? 4 cannot divide by 3, but 36 can. But you need to put a 0 here because 3 cannot divide. Put a 0, then put a dot. 36, you get 9. Halas. Halas means done. If you don't believe, you ask Umaira because that's an Arabic word I'm told. 0.9. Halas. Halas means done, right? Halas.
Oh, halal.
Halas means what? No, halal. Halal is different. Now, down here, divide by 4. 1 cannot divide by 4, put a 0. Then there's a dot, put a dot. 14. 14 cannot divide, but 12 can. So 12 divided by 4, you get 30. Minus, you get 2. Bring down the 4, 24. 24 divided by 4, get 6. So now, you got it again. So this is 1/4 of the white ribbon, 0.36. 1/4 of the blue ribbon, 0.9. So add them together. 0.36 plus 0.9. You get 1.26. Congratulations, Miss Auni, you've gotten 1.26. Okay. Can see now. Naomi can see now. You add both these up because how much ribbon did she use altogether? She used 1/4. 1/4 is 1 out of 4 parts. So you divide by 4. 0.9, then 0.36 meters. You add together 1.26 to make flowers. Sort of flower. Okay. Move on. Down here. Parallel. Which one is parallel to AB? Parallel means like this.
Sir, already I haven't do this. I do this.
Okay, parallel. This is what you call this. Ultraman is what you call this. Hello? What is this?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. So parallel is like that. Okay. So how do we remember? Amara, you know how to remember? Very simple. The word parallel, can you see not? There's two hands coming out here. Down here, can you see?
Okay.
Parallel. Perpendicular, you remember, it's like Ultraman. Okay. All right. Which line is parallel to AB? Can just tell me straight. Don't need to type in. Is it what? Is it GH? Is it JK? Which one is parallel to AB? Anyone? Amara, what about you, Amara? Come over, Amara. Hello? Over now. Yes, Miss Amara, this is the captain speaking. CD, Umaira says, let us see whether she's correct. And I think Kakak is correct.
I say it's GH.
GH. Okay, first of all, where's AB? That's where AB is. AB is here. Okay, where's AB? AB is here. So this one, you're correct, Umaira. It doesn't meet. Can you see it's parallel like that? GH, it cuts this thing. Maybe you are thinking about
So
perpendicular.
what is Umaira doing? She's not showing her face.
Yeah, perpendicular is here. Umaira, show your face. Everyone wants to see
Umaira,
you.
show your face.
Why you don't like to show my face? My face is expensive. If you want my face, you need to pay some money. I am a model. Is it true? Well, not yet. Not yet, but don't be a model. Model. Be a model student.
Can I go get some drinks?
Yeah. Please do. Please do. Okay, we come to this in a moment. We will go to problem sums. We will go to problem sum. This one looks interesting. Not yet. Let's go to section book B here. Okay. What fraction of the triangles are shaded? That's what they're asking. What fraction of the triangles are shaded? Well done, Naomi. Naomi, I've got an answer first. Congratulations. What about Auni? Auni has gone to Wasim. Umaira and Amara, come on. What fraction of the triangles are shaded? That's what they're saying. Come on, it's very easy. Come on. Just count the number of shaded parts. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number on top, Amara, has to be 5, Amara. Shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, count all the triangles, then you put it below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well done, Auni. But where's Amara and where's Myra? Come on, Amara. Okay, 5 out of 14. Easy, yeah? This is considered easy. Please make sure that you are able to do this, okay? Yes, 5 on top, 14 below. Well done, Amara. Now, we want you to arrange from the greatest to the smallest, from the biggest to the smallest. Careful, huh? And go. Biggest to the smallest. You must first know what is the biggest, huh? Which one is the biggest? Some of you are confused. If you're confused, I make sure that the back part has 3 digits. Down here got 1, right? Make it 3. Some got 2, make it 3. Some got 3, good. So then you can see, you can compare. Amara, can you do Amara? Amara, you know what's the biggest number, Amara? Do you know what's the biggest number? What's the biggest number? Okay, Auni has given an answer. Congratulations, Auni. You have come in first. Well done. You win for yourself another cat called Wasima. Is it okay? Wasim and Wasima. We are attending the Walima. Okay. So, which one, Amara, is the biggest number? Amara. Is it Amara? Which one is the biggest, Amara? Amara, look here, Amara. Amara. Which one? Amara still doing. Which one is biggest? Is this the biggest, Amara? Amara, is this the biggest? Is this the biggest? Is this the biggest? Which one? Is this the biggest? This one? This one? You're nodding your head, which one? This one, is it? Okay, the biggest is 4.6. Naomi, you know this, right, Naomi? You look at the whole number, you see, this one's 0, this one's 0, this one's 0, this one is 4. So, okay, maybe to help you, we make sure that all of them have the same number of digits behind. This one is 0.573, this one 4.600. Why? We make it 3 lah, easier. This one 0.860. Now you can compare. Can you see? This is like 4,600, like 4,600. The next one, according to Miss Auni, is 0.86. Yes, it's correct. Look, Naomi, this one has a 0 down here. This one is like 78 only, you know. So 860. So it's 860 first. Then 573. So your second one, Naomi, you got to check. And the last one is 0.074. Okay. Okay, maybe you want me to tell you another story. This is a true story, a sad story. But don't cry, Don't cry, okay? Myra, you want to hear this story? I don't know what you look so bored, Myra. Okay, this one you might not be bored of this video. In fact,
You won't be bored.
yeah. The name of the person is Alexander Poli. Have I told you about Alexander Poli? No. Naomi, but you watch this. Now, the human being can do many things, but you should not take unnecessary risks. That means you can say, you know, I can stand on the edge of a building. You stand, the wind blow you and you fall. Yeah, human being can stand. Human being can climb a mountain. But if you do dangerous things, all the time. One mistake might cause you to die. But this man is a very talented wingsuit flyer. I forgot what it was. Wingsuit something. Okay, we try. You ready? It's an amazing thing this guy is going to do. Watch this. Are you ready, girls? We are not ready. Why not ready? Name is Alexander Holy. The Batman kid. What is he going to do? He is, you saw that? This thing? He is going to fly through this hole. You think he can fly through now? Are you ready? Here we go. Can you hear?
I'm just looking at that hole right over there.
Can you see the hole now? You must be able to see the hole. Look, can you see the hole behind the head? Okay, hold on.
I'm just looking at that hole.
Can you see the hole there? That triangle? He wants to fly inside there. No? You know, if he missed the hole, what will happen?
The video.
If he missed the hole, he will crash into the rock. He will die. So let us see what happened.
Right over there.
This is called wingsuit. Wingsuit.
An obvious choice. Point of entry is that one. Come out.
So he
This
climbed
side.
to the place to see.
Yeah!
Yeah, man.
So this is a test jump just to try out first. This happened 2013.
This is my entry gate. This is what I'm looking at.
Can he just squeeze himself?
Okay, get ready. Second jump, they must test first. Amara, watch this, Amara. Wow, look at that. But as I told you, it's going to be a sad story. Don't cry,
Mucho guys.
If let's say he
Why is
crashed.
he going to die?
Let's see.
Perfecto.
The final jump. Here we go. Now imagine you're falling this way. How are you going to find the hole? You see. Can you see the hole? You're falling from the helicopter now. How to see? The hole is here, very small. And what happens? See? Where is the hole? I don't know where it's the hole. Oh, down here, I think. I do not know where the hole is. Oh, here. So is it a sad story? Yes, it is. Because not long after, Alex, this one he did it. But I think less than a year later, he died because you know how they land? They have a parachute. So after it goes through the bat cave, they will open up the parachute. Unfortunately, the parachute did not open and he died. So
How
if
come
you don't,
he died just because the parachute don't open?
yeah. So if you have parachute not open, you crash because you're jumping from the helicopter, right? Alexander Foley, Foley, there. Okay, you can check. There, he died in where? He died in a wingsuit. A wingsuit is what he used now. So why? What's the lesson we learned from this? After crashing into a tree, why? Because he crashing into a tree, he died. Poor thing, that man there. Okay, but anyway. So you want to do dangerous things, you can, but if you do it all the time, like what he did, jumping, one mistake is all it needs. So don't do dangerous things. If you don't need to, sometimes we have to do dangerous things, right?
Why?
Now, like for example, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he had to go to war. Can you say, I don't want to go to war, it's dangerous? You have no choice sometimes. Let's say
some choice.
let's say sometimes someone going to steal Wasim from you. Are you going to allow the person to steal? You see now the thief is now taking Wasim away and telling, Auni, I take Wasim. What are you going to do? See, take lah, never mind, I get another cat. You might even fight, right? Right? So same thing. Maybe for Umaira, someone is going to take your fidget away. Are you going to fight away? Maybe not. But you're going to take your younger brother away. Then it's different, right? You will fight. You might have to fight. So you might have to do something dangerous, or you will use a metal ruler. Okay. All right, come. We come back to our.
What does a metal ruler got to do with that thing?
Because she's going to injure someone with a metal ruler.
Oh my God, Wasim is sleeping.
It's okay, let him sleep. He's so tired. He's been doing so many sums, you know, man. He did area and perimeter just now. Oh, pingsan, eh? All right, come. Let's round off to the nearest whole number. Let's see whether you remember. Nearest whole number means nearest one. Nearest one. Somebody has given the answer. Auni, I am so sorry, Miss Auni. As they say in SpongeBob, the answer is not correct. Try again, Auni. Nearest whole number, you must look at the digit beside it to the right. Remember? So you're waiting for the rest.
Sorry, wrong message, sir.
Wrong message. Okay. Naomi, come on, Naomi. Umaira, come on. Amara, where are you? Amara, come back, please. Don't play with Wasima.
Why would she want to play with Wasim?
Not Wasim, Wasima. The cat's name is Wasima.
Wasim now.
Wasima is the cat that Wasim loved. Naomi, can do it, Naomi.
Wasim don't even remember his old cat family that time.
How do you know he doesn't remember?
He does remember, but he doesn't miss them anymore. He don't miss them anymore.
Just like babies, if you take them and let's say they're taken away from their parents, at first they will cry. After a while, they get used to the surroundings. Okay, here we go. Down here now, nearest whole number, we are talking about this ones place. So you underline the ones. Naomi, underline the ones. Auni, underline the ones. Auni, look at the digit beside it, Amara. Look at it, Umaira. 4. Do you plus 1? Only if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you plus 1. You don't plus 1. So let your answer to be 18. No need to put 0.00, just 18. Okay, you get it? Okay, I'll give you another one. You try this number. Okay, here we go. I want you to round off to the nearest whole number. And here we go. Which one? No, so many. You just need to look at one only. You need to look only at one number. Come on, come on, come on. I feel as if I'm selling something online. Huh? Kids. Umaira, come on, Umaira, come on. Give us the nearest whole number. Congratulations, Miss Auni. What about Naomi, who's eating fried chicken? Eating fried chicken? Oh, it's your ham. Oh my goodness, I thought the hair was fried chicken. Okay, come. Amara, what are you looking at the window for, Amara? Amara. I'm calling you from here, not from outside there. You can't hear. Umaira, come. Naomi, nearest whole number, you just look at the ones. And then look at the number beside it. You don't need to look at anything else. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you plus 1. This is 8, you know, must plus 1. Plus 1 here, you get 2, 7, 2. That's it. Easy, yeah? We try one more time. 1 0. 1009.72 to the nearest whole number. Let's see whether Auni can do it this time. Maybe, maybe not. We do not know. What about Umaira? Amara, come on. Nayumi, come on. Well done, Auni. What about Nayumi? Look at the next number here. What's your answer, Nayumi? Do you plus 1, Nayumi? Do you plus 1? Yes? Yes. So 1, 0, 1, 0. Say 9 plus 1 become 10. So you write 10 off. Quite easy, right? Girls, you all can score for maths. It's up to you. Can you try the next one? Very easy. 8.4 minus 0.97. Amara, come on, Amara. Amara, come on, Amara. Amara, come on, Amara. Well done to Miss Auni, has done it again. Umaira, what about you, Umaira?
I'm busy playing my fidget.
Why is your voice like that?
I have developed a rough voice.
Why?
That Joy developed a rough voice because now she's a tomboy.
Don't say that. All right, Nayumi, well done. Come on, Amara and Umaira.
Auni, Anna is very girly girl like.
Aduh, one girly girl, one boy. Well, once I have a photo of myself as a 10-year-old girl. I got. If you wanna see, it. I gotta find the photo. Okay. My aunt dressed me up as a girl. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. So we minus. So when we write 8.4, you must put a 0 down here, right? So you minus 3. This is 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 7, 3. 3 cannot minus 9. You borrow over here. You get 13. 13 minus 9, you get 4. 7.43. Okay, here we go. Let's try the next one. We have just 5 minutes left. Let us see here. Time, not yet. You're going to do time later on. This one. So, if you don't understand, I'll draw. But you are supposed to find one ball. How heavy is one ball? That's what they're saying. So, this is a box. In the box, there's 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, and 5 ball. So down here, right? This is inside here. We can see this is the box. And then you put it on a weighing scale. The weighing scale says this is, what's the weight? The weight is 4.55 kg. And then how? Well, when the box is just empty, so you have the box like that. Huh? Imagine when the box is empty, the weight is, how much is the weight? They tell you. 1.75 kg. Okay, that's what they're telling you, okay? The box, 5 balls, 4.55 kg. Box, no balls, 1.75 kg. That's right. You got 3 minutes before blast off. Come on, Amara, you can do this, Amara. Do your best. Come on, Amara, do your best. And then Naomi might give the teddy bear that's behind her. Is your background, Naomi? There's nothing behind you. The background. Can you look at the screen? But we will see it as something behind you. Like for me, you can see whiteboard behind me. That's not real whiteboard, right? Is it?
That's real. If it's not real, how can you write on the board?
Okay, so it's real. It's real. Like for example, Umaira, she took a photo of a room and she make it as a background. That's not her real room. She cannot pick anything up from the back of a room.
What about me? Tell me.
Yours is a real room. That's why you can pick the cat. Like
Yeah.
Amara has a curtain behind her, but she cannot touch the curtain because the curtain is not real. Is it true, Amara? Same like Naomi has a teddy bear behind her, but the teddy bear is not real.
Literally not real for Naomi, the teddy bear.
Naomi alone, the rest of us are real. Well, wow. I see whether let's see whether she's correct. If she's correct, she's quite good. So sorry, Miss. You cannot just divide by 5. Only where you only? You cannot just divide by 5. Okay, we are going to go through the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, now you know that this whiteboard is not real. I'm going to draw on it. Okay. All right. Now, what are they saying now? Only you cannot just take 4.55 divided by 5 because there's the weight of the box. So now, first of all, if I draw the box, I know time is almost up, but then we just wait for a while, okay? We extend a little bit, all right? Down here now, what is the weighing scale? The weighing scale now, let's say this is a weighing scale. Okay.
Yeah, why is everyone not looking at the board?
Yeah, they're not.
No, they're looking at the board.
They come look at the board lah. Don't not look at the board. I feel so alone. In fact, I feel very lonely here. Now, it's 1.75 kg. There are no balls inside here, Ani. No balls. So you need to minus the weight on the ball. So I draw it another way, okay? This is the box. These are the balls. Okay, and this is the box with the balls. So this one is what? 4.55 kg. What must you do to it? You must first of all minus 1.75 kg. Because these two, when you add, we don't know how much this is. Huh? This plus this equals to 4.55 kg.
What is Mara doing is disgusting.
Myra, come on, Myra, come. Focus. So step number 1, you must find the weight of the 5 balls. 4.55 minus 1.75. So how much is that? 4.55 minus 1.75. Okay, you get 0, borrow 15, 8, 2.8 kg. This is 2.8 kg only. Now from here, then you divide by 5. 2.8 divide by 5. Then you will get your answer. 2.8 divide by 5. 2 cannot divide, put a 0, then put a dot. 25 can divide by 5, you get 5. Bring down, then you minus, you get 3. You can add as many zeros as you want. Bring the 3 down. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 0.56. You get 0.56 kg. This is 0.56 kg. 0.56 kg, and so on and so forth. I hope you all are okay. No one says, hey girl, the fidgeting, do what she's doing, and she's doing like that. I also can do like that. See, she's doing the thing like that. Then like that. What are you doing? Okay, we'll see you next week. You try to focus, you'll be able to do better in maths. Try to focus, please. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.